One day, a woman arrived in London. Let's call her Leyla. She had a map. She had an Oyster card. She was excited. She thought she was ready. She walked down the stairs. She got to the platform. The train arrived. The doors opened. And then she heard a voice, a calm voice, from the speakers.
Mind the gap.
Leyla stopped. She looked around. She didn't understand. What gap? Where? Today, you will understand. Today, you will ride the London Underground with us. We are not going to study grammar today. We are going underground. Deep underground. Under the streets of London. Are you ready? 5 million people. Every single day. That is how many people use London's Underground. It is the oldest metro in the world. And today, we are going to ride it. Together. Welcome to English with Farida. I'm Farida.
And I'm Farid.
Today's episode is special. We are in London. Underground London.
The London Underground is also called the Tube. It is the oldest metro system in the world. It opened in 1863. Yes, 1863. It has 11 lines. Each line has a color. The red line? That is the Central line. The dark blue line? That is the Piccadilly line. And the Piccadilly line is very important. It goes directly from Heathrow Airport to central London. You remember our last episode?
Yes, we arrived at Heathrow. We used our Oyster cards. Now, we are exploring London on the tube. But wait, before we go further, can I ask you something? Have you ever been on a metro in your city? Was it easy or was it confusing? The London Underground can feel confusing at first. But after this episode, it will feel simple. I promise. Let's learn some important words. Simple words, but very useful.
Word number 1, platform. The platform is where you wait for the train. You stand on the platform, the train comes to you.
Word number 2, line. A line is a route, a path. The Piccadilly line, the Central line, the Victoria line.
Word number 3, zone. London Underground has zones. Zone 1 is the city center. Zone 6 is far from the center. The further you go, the more you pay.
Word number 4, direction. Eastbound, going east. Westbound, going west. Always check the direction before you get on.
Word number 5, terminus. The terminus is the last stop, the end of the line. You will hear, this train terminates at. That means the train stops there. No more stations.
5 words. 5 important words. Let's say them together. Slowly. Platform, line, zone, direction, terminus. Can I share a story?
Please, yes, tell us.
His name was David. David was visiting London for the first time. He needed to go from King's Cross to Oxford Circus. He looked at the map. He saw the Victoria line, the light blue line. He got on the train. But David made one mistake. He got on the train going the wrong direction. He was going north, but he needed to go south. Oh no! What did he do? He listened carefully. He heard the announcement. The next station is Caledonian Road. He looked at his map. That was north. Wrong direction. So he got off at the next station. He crossed to the other platform. He took the train going south. And 10 minutes later, he was at Oxford Circus. That is very common. Many people make that mistake. The important thing is, he didn't panic. He listened, he looked, he fixed it. Exactly. That is real English. Real life, real learning. Now let's practice real phrases. Phrases you will use on the tube.
Phrase 1. Excuse me, which line goes to... For example, excuse me, which line goes to Oxford Circus? Let's say it together.
Excuse me, which line goes to Oxford Circus?
Phrase 2. Do I need to change trains? Change trains means take a different line. Do I need to change trains to get to Waterloo?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no, but always good to ask.
Phrase 3. Which platform? Short, simple, very useful. Which platform for the Piccadilly line?
And our favorite phrase today?
Mind the gap.
Mind the gap. Gap means a space, an empty space. Between the train and the platform, there is a small space. The announcement says, mind the gap. Mind here means be careful, be aware.
So, mind the gap equals be careful of the space.
Now you will never forget it. If you are learning new words today, that is wonderful. You are making real progress.
If this video helps you, please share it with one friend who is learning English. It helps them, and it helps our channel grow.
Don't stop now. Keep going. Now, 3 tips. Important tips.
Tip 1. Always check the direction. Look at the signs on the platform. They show you eastbound, westbound, northbound, southbound. Check before you get on, like David.
Tip 2. Stand on the right on escalators. In London, the right side is for standing. The left side is for walking. If you stand on the left,
Londoners will be very quiet, but not happy.
yes, very quiet, very not happy. Tip 3. Use the Tube Map app on your phone. It is free, it shows which line to take, it shows where to change trains. It tells you how long the journey is. Very useful, very simple. Let's quickly remember today's words. Platform, line, zone, direction, terminus, and our phrases. Excuse me, which line goes to... Do I need to change trains? Which platform? Mind the gap. You now know the London Underground. You are ready. Before we go, we have one question for you. If you could visit one place in London, where would you go? Big Ben, Oxford Street, the British Museum, Buckingham Palace, Borough Market? Write your answer in the comments. One word or one sentence. We read every comment, every single one.
In our next episode, we will visit one of those places with you in English.
Thank you for listening today. You are doing something amazing. You are learning a new language every day, step by step.
Keep going.
We believe in you.
See you in the next episode.